Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Doritos 3D Crunch. I'm doing this because of a comment I saw who wanted me to check out the Doritos 3D. So we have here the Doritos 3D Chili Cheese Crunch. Then we have the Doritos 3D Spicy Ranch. Got these from a gas station. It's been hard to find them because when I would find them, they would be in the big bags, and I could only find one flavor and not the other flavor. But I ended up finding them in smaller bags so I can at least try them at a gas station. And they had both flavors. These are the back of the label. And, if you want to see the ingredients, and then here's the front of the label. I'd say it's a pretty cool bag. Typically, I do like Doritos products. I'm hoping these are pretty good. There's the other one. Let's see, which flavor should I try first? I'll try this one first. Let's take crunch to the next level. Smells kind of like a Cheeto. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. This is what they look like. Kind of remind me of like a bugle that has like the end closed on it. You know how like the bugle when you're a kid you can stick your fingers in them and have like little witch fingers. These ones, the ends are closed, but it does look a lot like a bugle to me. Off the bat, they're not very spicy or anything. I don't really get a whole lot of chili flavor. I mean, they're pretty good, but I don't think they taste like chili cheese. If anything, they taste kind of like just the regular nacho cheese Doritos with just a very slight kick. Maybe that's what they were going for. So we have these ones. Let's set them over here. Clean my palate. Oh, we have spicy ranch. I do like ranch, but I'm more of a blue cheese guy, so they smell a lot like ranch. What do they look like in the bag? Not as orange as the other one. This is what they look like again. This one's broken. Not as orange. More of a tan color. You can definitely see the seasoning, and the seasoning is coming off of my hands. So let's try it. Definitely a strong ranch flavor at first. Not very spicy to begin with. But to be honest, I think I like these ones better than the last ones. Pretty good. If I had to rate these from a 0 to a 10, I would give the ranch ones probably like an 8. And the chili cheese ones probably like a 6. But that's all. Please, and that's Dash. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you think there's something else I should try.